Now, what many dog owners do is they give a command to their dog to eat the food. So Roscoe knows to sit and wait, and he's basically performing a trick, hey, that he's learned to sit down and wait for the food. And if he does it long enough, he gets to eat it. But what I would do is a different exercise. Instead of having him perform a trick to receive his food, this is a rule, some sort of a dominance exercise that I want to enforce, that he only gets to eat when I let him to. So I don't need him to be sitting down. To me, he can be doing whatever. He can be laying down. He can be, in a different room. He can be walking around. It doesn't really matter as long as he doesn't touch the food. He should only touch it when I give him the command. So see, right now he's very focused on it. I'm just gonna wait a few minutes for him to kind of realize that he might not necessarily get it, and just kind of go into more submissive behavior. So see how he's squeaking right now? There we go. That's much better. He laid down, he's in a more submissive state. He's kind of chilling there on the floor. He's not overly intent on getting it. So I'm gonna reward that behavior. Go get it. And that's how you feed your dog.